We have to stay up with the latest and greatest technology. If we don't, we're not going to be able to compete. We do educational books. Our customers wanted us to be able to take a title and own it for the full life. The only way that we're going to be able to do that is to have all those different kind of processes out there. From inkjet to toner to sheet fed and to web. We knew that inkjet was going to be a big player in this industry. And about 12 years ago, we decided to go with the Prosper 5000. That was our first inkjet press. We have 3 Prospers in the shop today running around the clock with an average of 1.5 million pages per day per press. We just installed the Prosper 7000 Turbo Press, the fastest inkjet press in the market. We can now get 4 million printed pages per day. We can take on more work in the same amount of time and deliver greater quality to our customers.
Prospers have been really the workhorses of our shop. They print and they just don't stop printing. Utilizing Printergy and color flow and color management, our inkjet is pretty similar to our offset. I don't know if you would be able to tell the difference without a loop. We are very impressed with what we're getting off of those KODAK machines. We're a hybrid shop. We have offset, we have digital, we have toner. Printergy being able to produce files that can go out onto each of those platforms without having to be reprocessed is huge. It's really automation that's changing the focus of that operator, managing the work versus doing the work. We have been able to increase output in the pre-press anywhere from 40 to 50% using the RBA without having to increase our personnel.